All right, well, I'm at the Department of Public Safety at the DFW Airport Jail to pick up a gun, and I realized I didn't bring a bag, so I found this red bag in the floorboard of my car. Amazing little hearts. So I guess I'll be transporting a weapon with the amazing little hearts. All right, so here it is. Let me take my mask off. So the amazing little hearts bring you 2 boxes. This appears to be ammo. There's really nothing on here that identifies my client, so I'll cover up the words anyway. It's just evidence. Let's look. Oh, it's sealed. I gotta break the evidence tag. Well, I'm gonna give him the pleasure of doing that, but I am gonna look at the weapon. Look, what do you think's in there? Oh, all right, let's break this evidence seal. I feel like I should use a something somewhat sharp, like a Starbucks stir/drink plug. Maybe that's sharp enough to bust through this. Somewhat, yeah, there we go. That's sort of precise. Yeah, and then the rest of that should just come off pretty easily. Well, maybe not. Wow. I mean, this stuff is not like packing tape. I don't really have the right tool, or as the guy at the jail said one time, the red toes. I was at the Blue Sterret jail one time on the elevator, and this guy had a big old cart of tools with him. He was a maintenance guy, and I asked him about, he had 3 plungers, and I asked him why he needed 3 different plungers. I guess they have 3 different styles of toilet, and you need a different plunger for each one. I asked about his plungers, and he goes, "Without the red toes, I cannot make the job." Which means without the right tools, I cannot make the job. So we have the red toes. We don't have the red toes here. It's a Smith & Wesson 32, it looks like. You got 2 magazines. It's tucked into the box, kind of like a new Barbie.
These kids, right? They look great in this package, but there's a million pieces that you have to cut off in order to get the Barbie doll to the kid, okay?
There you go. Is that a 32? It looks like a 32. Does it say on here anywhere? That's really cute. It doesn't look anything like the revolver on the front. That's kind of misleading. They should really put a semi-automatic on the box if they're gonna. Now, let me see how hard this is to get out of here. These plastic zip ties. I have it in here pretty good, but I was able to get it out without breaking the zip ties, so that means I'll be able to put it back in the same way. And does it say on here what this is? It's a 380, not a 32, and it's very clean. Such a lovely moment.
Now I'm getting emotional. I'm a little verklempt.
You're verklempt. You're verklempt. I'm verklempt.
I'm sorry.
The return of a firearm is just it's one of those things we look for. All right, I'll put this back and close it back up. There we go. Back together. Look, you can barely tell that it's been opened. Back in the amazing little hearts bag. And I'll call the client and tell him I have his weapon, and he will shed tears of joy.